out with the family today, and we're gonna cook some hot dogs on the fire, and then I'm gonna try to do some fishing if time allows. So let's get to it. Looks like it might start raining. We'll see what happens. Here's the fire pit. Beautiful spot. So I'm just gonna gather some firewood and make a fire. I brought some from home because it poured yesterday, so I was worried about all the wood being wet. So I brought some wood. I don't need like that big of a fire. I just need one to cook hot dogs and boil some water. It doesn't have to be that big. But it seriously looks like it's gonna rain. So I don't know if this will show it good enough. A little bit. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I looked at the forecast, it said it wasn't going to rain. So I didn't bring a tarp or anything. Or a tent, might set that up. The wind picks up right away. That nearly became a fire log. Let's try that again. So while that burns and gets down, so it's not just smoke, I'm going to look at my fishing rod. I've had this fishing rod since I was a kid at our cottage growing up, and I haven't used it in years. I feel like I say that about all my gear. I haven't used it in years. So I'm going to try to put it together. It's a bit of a mess right now. And I'm going to try to get a couple casts. We'll see if I'll catch anything. I doubt it. It's like, I don't know, like 2 o'clock right now. It's like the worst time of day to go fishing. Like, it's so old. Then I got my tackle box. I opened it earlier just to check it, and it was so old. Some of the rubber lures, like the worms and stuff, were rotting. So there's actually like rotten fishing lures, like melted into the fishing box because of just age, and probably like because it sat in the garage for 15 years. It's just gnarly. So I'll probably have to clean that out. I will have to clean that out. What the? It's pretty funny. It must be so old. I think the fishing line is so old that it's like kind of like just corroded. You don't want that to happen when you're fishing. Some Canada geese just flying by. Probably on wrong. That's fine. We will play with that after. As always, gotta have some tea going. So I'll just plop that in the fire. Hope for the best. Looks good to me. So we're having hot dogs and buns and ketchup. Need to get a stick. We'll speed this up so you don't have to watch me do this again. So I just put it in the fire to get any like the loose pieces of wood off, so you don't get it in your hot dog. Anyone who grew up around campfires probably has memories of cooking hot dogs on the fire. There's looks like a cottage along the way. Can't see it, but they must be getting it cleaned right now because it's just like the only thing you hear is a vacuum. Kind of like in the middle of nowhere, and you still hear a house vacuum. Mine broke, but I managed to catch it before it fell into the fire. Here we go. Hot dog on the fire. Check. And it's good. So before I start fishing, I gotta make Amy a s'more. And honestly, this isn't a paid advertisement, but if you have ever tried Mr. Beast, the YouTube guy, Feastable things, the peanut butter one is amazing. And if you ever have a chance, try it. I highly recommend it. This is not a paid ad or anything. It's just really good. I don't even know if you guys can see this. Here we go. Some more. Alright, now that the food is done, I'm gonna do a bit of fishing while John sleeps. And yeah, there's actually a dock here, so I think I'm just gonna fish off the dock. It was oddly sketchy with the camera on the dock. It's nice just to be out by water. The sound of a vacuum going at the same time, so can't beat it. Oh, this is great. Look here. I don't have the greatest setup right now. I forgot to cut this part off when I was over by the fire, so I'm fishing with that. I don't want to. Too lazy to walk back. And I got this really beat up lure that I've had forever. The setup isn't ideal, but it's just nice. It's nice to be out. I feel like I say that every time as well. It's just, I always forget what it's like just to get out of the house. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna catch anything at this time of day, and just with what I'm using. But yeah, I think I'm gonna just hang out now with Amy and John, and we're gonna cook some more s'mores on the fire. Hope you've enjoyed this, and please like and subscribe if you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.